I'm excited to share with you that we've created Contractor Campaign Kits. This is a web page filled with resources dedicated to helping you, our customer, market a specific set of products to your customers and prospective customers. We all have gifts. Mine's nothing technical trade related, it's marketing. And yours is technical trade related, so we wanted to share with you easy, ready to go resources which you can utilize to grow your business. So first, to find this kit, you can go to aprsupply.com, click on support, then marketing support, and then you'll be able to select Contractor Campaign Kit. And this will open up a web page which will be filled with resources on this specific topic that we're focused on per time period. And it's all, as I said, category focused. So as the business climate changes, the topic will change. And this is what you'll find on that page. First, we're going to provide you with a list of options of products in that specific category. So what APR Supply carries product-wise that you'll be able to choose from or help your customer choose from to make the right selection for them. Second, you'll find a series of training videos on those products mentioned in the options of products and services. All those training videos, will be there so that you can be well versed in each product, how to install it, maybe some troubleshooting. And as a reminder, feel free to use our TSA department. You all know how great they are. Third, and this is where it gets exciting for us marketers, we've created a series of ads. We have print ads, which you can download and put your logo and contact information on. And you can utilize it any way you like, whether you want to print out flyers to give to your customers, or you want to create a mailer, whatever you want to do with that print ready ad, you can do it. And there's room at the bottom of the ad, or maybe the top or the side, depending on the month, that you can add your contact info and you can add your logo. Second, we're going to have ad specific sizes for social media. These will be advertisements that you can download and then upload on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, whatever you want to use. Feel free to use those. And those are a little bit different. There's probably less room to add your contact info, but remember when you're creating those social media posts, it's already tied to your business page, so it's a little bit less pertinent that you add your logo or your information. But there is some smaller amount of room at the bottom of that page where you can add your information. Third, we have ads for your customers, as the case may be. Now, if you're installing to a residential household, of course, you don't need them to have an ad ready to go explaining that they've installed your products. But if you're, say, installing something in a restaurant, that customer might want an advertisement touting what improvements they've just made to their business. So we have some of those as options as well. And again, room at the bottom or on the side where they can add their logo and contact information. So that's really it. It sounds like a lot, but it's not. You go in, you select what you need, you watch training videos if you need it, choose which ad most speaks to you. We've tried to create a variety. Maybe a little friendlier, softer type ad, and then maybe something more edgy and eye-catching with some humor to it. It's all about you, your business, what speaks to you as a business owner. So please feel free to use those. And we really want to know, what else do you need? Do you need more videos in conjunction with this? Do you need different types of ads? What would help you market these products and services, market yourself, your business, and sell more, increase your business? How can we do that for you? Do you have topics that you want us to focus on to help you market? Please let us know. You can email marketing@aprsupply.com, and we would be really happy to hear the ideas that our customers have. So again, please utilize this Contractor Campaign Kit to its fullest. We're excited how our businesses can grow together with the unveiling of this new service for you.